Hi guys, today we're making clear Jiggly slime. Jiggly slime has been really popular, but I haven't seen anyone make clear Jiggly slime, so I thought I'd give it a shot. Before I get started, you may have noticed that I had a new background in my last video. Let me know what you think about it in the comments below. Okay, let's get started. You'll need a bottle of clear glue, something to stir with, and borax solution. This borax solution has a different ratio. You need 1 teaspoon of borax to 2 cups of warm water. It's only half as strong as the normal borax solution. After squeezing out the glue, fill the bottle up with water and dump that into the bowl. Do this 2 times. This is what helps make the slime jiggly. Now add the borax solution a little bit at a time. Don't add too much too fast, or you'll end up with a clear ball of putty. Make sure it's mixed well before you add more borax. Eventually, you'll be able to touch it without it feeling sticky. Now you have jiggly clear slime. You can play with it now or let it set overnight to get rid of the bubbles. But the bubbles leave this really quickly. The bubbles were gone from this bowl after only a few hours. It's really cool. It pours like a liquid, but it's not really sticky. I put a drop of blue food coloring in this small container of slime. Then I added it to the big batch so that you could see the slime move easier. Thanks for watching. Remember, you can follow me on Twitter, Facebook, and Instagram. I'll leave the links in the description box below.